Hey, and welcome to this hot new listing right here. This is 227 Kinmount. Not only is it a great place to live, it's super clean, super bright, and looks oh so dreamy inside, but it's also a legal duplex, so you have added income to help you offset your mortgage. Both units have main floor living space, there's plenty of room for everybody, 2 separate laundries, and so much more. Let's go check it out. Look at this bright and spacious main floor living of this first unit. Check out that window. It is huge and lets so much sunlight in. It offsets the kitchen as well here, where you can see we have a nice U-shaped kitchen. Tons of space for seating, tons of countertop area, and right back here, that's your own laundry room. Now upstairs here, great spacious living area for you to kick back and relax. We have 3 bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. Oh, and a linen closet. Plenty of room, you don't need anything more. This is it. Alright, so I'm back in the second unit, and as you can see, we have main floor living space as well, which is so amazing. Now, it's open concept, we've got the kitchen over here, tons of space for you. Again, it's bright, we've got 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, your own laundry. I mean, this is just an awesome space to rent out. Come and check it out, you're not going to want to miss it.